Hi guys, I'm back with part 2 of the death pile haul. This haul was completely free. I picked it from my parents' garage back in April during their annual spring cleaning. It was around Earth Day. So I got 2 giant bags. I showed you the first bag yesterday, which was mostly my mom's stuff. And then this one is going to be my stuff. Honestly, I don't remember. I know for sure my Doc Martens are in here, but I don't know what else. So let's get into the haul. Oh, there's only like 4 items in here. Crazy. So first off, these 501 jeans. They're a little washed, but I think they'll still do well. And these are button flies. Yes, so 501 jeans. Got these to resell. Yes, this vintage. Well, it has to be vintage because this was mine like I remember I wore it like in 2001. So it's this James Dean t-shirt, and crazy thing is I just sold one recently in my Poshmark closet. This is size small, so that'll get listed. And then these are Ferragamo. I think these were my mom's. So these are Salvatore Ferragamo little loafer slippers, pretty much unworn. And yeah, so these probably came from my mom's closet, and listing these completely free inventory. She was probably gonna throw these away. So this is exactly why I say, like, reach out to your family members. Like if they're cleaning, offer them to help them clean up, and you get free pickings over their inventory. And the last item, for some reason I thought there were more items in this bag, but there was only 4 items. My high school Doc Martens. So here they are. I know they pretty much look unworn because I was such a brat in high school. Like, I wanted a pair of Doc Martens so bad in high school, and then my parents got me these, but they're not black. They're like a maroon color. They have some scratches here if you can see, but I mean, they're pretty much in excellent condition, barely any wear to the treads, and pretty clean. Like, I think I only wore them a handful of times just because I didn't like that they were this brown color. But now that I'm older, I appreciate them so much. I'm like, dude, these were actually really cool. Like, I was such a brat. I was like, no, they're not black. Like, I remember I even wanted to paint them, and I'm so glad I didn't, because I probably would have ruined them if I would have painted them with like that 99-cent paint. But that's why I kind of want to keep them. But I'm like, I know I'm not going to wear them, so I'm probably going to list them. I am going to list them high because these are from the 90s, and they are still made in London. But they do have some scuffs on the toes. So I did get some wear out of them. I'll polish them up with my Wonder Balsam, and I don't know, we'll see. I'll check comps and see what the made in London Doc Martens are going for. So yeah, that's it for this haul. I'm sorry, I thought there were more items in here, but there are not. There were just these 4 items. But really cool, right? These were from my closet, my 501 jeans, my Docs, my James Dean t-shirt, and then those loafers that came from my mom's closet. So I'm going to get these listed ASAP and see what I can get for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow for more Vlogtober. Bye!